Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, finally after like so many of you all have been requesting, finally today I am here with my sister's husbands. Meet my elder sister's husband Ganesh Jayaraman and my younger sister's husband Abdul Salam, Mohammad Abdul Salam.
Thank you.
Okay, rather introducing them as my sister's husband, I would rather tell them this is Ayan's father and this is Ira's father. Now many of you all have been asking me who are Ira's parents, why aren't you showing Seema and Salam in the videos? Finally, here we have Salam featuring on my YouTube channel, and we also have Ayan Ganesh. Come here, you can come and say hi. Say hi. Okay. So as you all have already seen the title, today we are going to film Who Knows Me Better. It's a Who Knows Me Better challenge, okay?
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, ready.
All get up?
Yes.
So we have buzzers, 1 spoon each
Oh my god.
and 1 plate each. So when you know the answer, all you gotta do is hit the plate. And only after I say yes you can answer, then you will answer, okay?
Sure.
So we'll start with very basic and easy questions.
Okay.
Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's get started. First question. What is, hear it properly, what is my full name?
Is it?
Okay, I heard the buzzer.
Okay, as per her passport it is Sameera Sharif, but when she was born it was given Sameera Fatima Sharif.
Okay,
Yeah, same.
same. Okay, so both are right, but because he hit the buzzer first, he gets the point. Okay. You need to be quick, Salam. Second question. Now that you know that my name was Sameera Fatima Sharif, spell Sameera Fatima Sharif. Salam.
So it's SAMEERA FATHIMASHERIEF.
Okay,
Oh.
Salam gets a point. Alright, third question. Which city was I born in? Salam.
Nellore.
Did you?
Nellore only. Yes.
Okay, both are right, but Salam hit the buzzer first, so Salam gets the point.
My
Now
god, this is a contest.
Now the next question is something that I haven't spoken to anybody by far, and in fact I also got to know after growing up. So when I was born in Nellore, obviously my dad, my dadi, everybody were here in Hyderabad, and my nani's family, my mom's family gave me a name. What was that name?
Okay. Hold on a second.
Yeah, I heard it.
No, this I don't know, guys. क्या लो सुनी?
No, I think I remember it.
Come on, Salam, you should be knowing this.
I don't know this. Sameera नहीं, Sameera तो नहीं था.
Can you give me first letter?
S.
Okay.
Samila.
No.
हाँ?
No.
Samila भी नहीं था.
No.
Sadia?
Last chance. दोनों को last one chance I'm giving.
I heard it. I am sure I heard it. Seema told me about it.
No, I think Samila ही था. नहीं था.
Give up.
Pass?
Yeah.
So basically, my mom's family then named me Sabira.
Oh shit, yes. Kabira की औलाद. Oh yes, Samira.
And obviously,
Sorry.
my dad's family did not like the name, and they were like, "How could you name her Sabira?" And that's how it was changed to
Saula.
Samira.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. What is my grandfather's name? My dad's father.
I know it.
Grandfather है पप्पा's पप्पा.
Dad is dad.
हाँ, I know.
I know.
Then you can hit and try. Wait, you're not getting, no?
Yeah, pass.
Amiruddin.
Bolo pura.
Amiruddin. His father's name is Amiruddin Sirajuddin Sharif.
Not my dad's name, dad.
हाँ, Amiruddin Sharif.
Okay.
Okay.
You get it right. Okay, now that we are done with the first round,
Okay, this is first round.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the first round.
Amma.
Now we are going into our second round, which is to do with my work.
Okay.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
No, ready, not ready. Okay, ready.
So, what was I studying when I started my first serial? In which standard or what was my educational, I mean, where was I?
Okay.
Fifth standard.
No, first serial.
Okay. You were studying in Villa Mary.
What?
Mass communication?
Okay, your turn.
नहीं mass communication नहीं किया तूने. B.Com किया था क्या?
Confidently बोलो कुछ भी.
B.Com.
Okay.
Is it 12?
No.
Okay.
Intermediate second year?
At least you, I don't know the
Okay.
stream. At least you were studying in Villa Mary when you started,
Okay.
right?
So I will probably give them both one point for this because I was just done with my 12th and I was getting into my degree graduation and it was mass comm.
Mass com ना?
Okay.
Mass com I said ना? Mass
But उसके बाद ये I told
So,
confidently
यार,
बोलो.
अच्छा,
I'm
ठीक
still
है.
giving you a point. I'm still giving you a point.
हाँ.
Okay, what was my first serial as a lead actress?
Okay.
You guys should be knowing. You guys are my family.
थोड़ी कोड? नहीं, I don't know यार.
Jeju?
एक second.
I have no idea.
1 second.
Hey, you're cheating, bhai. Apa, you go inside.
नहीं, Apa is not telling. रुको wait. Oh, serial Amma, I remember.
Okay, was it telecast on Star
Yeah, it
Vijay?
was.
Oh, salam. That was my first serial in Tamil.
Okay.
अरे कौन सा था यार? I don't remember it, honestly.
Pass?
Yeah, pass.
Shame on you guys. Huh?
It's okay.
Seriously.
It's
Family
okay.
reh ke you guys.
Yeah, I don't remember Telugu words, so I
It
cannot
was
tell.
Adapilla. So next time if somebody asks you, what does your sister-in-law do? What is her first serial? Both, please confidently tell it is
कुत्ते का पिल्ला.
Adapilla.
Sorry, Adapilla.
Okay. What was my first Tamil serial?
Pagal Nilavar.
Okay.
Yeah, I know that. Because my
Okay.
mom dad they used to watch it in Delhi. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Gigi gets a point. Now, so this video is being shot on 13th June. Okay? As of 13th June, how many Instagram followers do I have? Salam.
More than 200k.
चल, hey, मैं मेरी बारी.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah. It is 5.95k. Approximately 500k.
I'm giving you wait. I'm giving you another chance, both of you.
Hello.
Seen it last night. I
Instagram
anticipated
is
this question.
Instagram is 5.95 kg.
You're wrong.
500,000 k. Sorry, 500,000 guys.
What? You're still wrong. I'm giving you another chance.
Instagram followers you want, ना?
595k. 5,95,000.
Get out from here, Appa.
यार मैंने सही बोला था. It was
No, it's not 5.95. I'm giving you another chance. It is on 13th of June.
of this year. Now today.
Abhi aaj. Come on, yeah, guys.
It might have reached 600,000.
हाँ हो गया आपका second chance. सलाम second chance. सलाम का तो worst. More than 200k कहते.
At least मैं पास था. I should be given point.
150k.
You are underestimating me, Salam.
No, but I remember I
I
anticipated
think I
this
should
question
win.
last
Yeah,
night.
I was close.
And it
500.
should be 800k.
मैं underestimate बोले तो.
Overestimate. नहीं.
Okay, both of you lose. I'm not giving you a point. It
Why?
is not 595. It is 588k.
यार come on यार फिर भी.
If you would have said 585 also, I would have given you. No.
At least better than 200,000 ना. कहाँ है? Guys, you tell me who is correct.
Okay, you guys let us know in the comment section if I should be giving a point to
Obviously,
Jeju
it
or
should be
no.
me. Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Next question. Now that we spoke about Instagram, how many subscribers do I have on YouTube?
It's 2.97k.
Yeah, I think I misread that. It is definitely more than 250k is what I have seen yesterday.
It's 2.97k.
YouTube subscribers, yeah. Around
And I pray that it goes to 1 million guys.
Definitely.
So, yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll probably give them both 1 point, but Giju is much closer. It is 2.9. It is reaching 2.96.
I know.
Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed yet already, please go and subscribe. We need to reach to 1 million very, very soon.
Yes, please do that, guys. तुम लोग ये reach करेंगे तभी हम लोग reach करेंगे.
Okay, next question. Now you guys know I have regional channels also, right?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
I know that. Telugu
I
and
overheard
Tamil.
it now.
Yeah. Okay, I have a Telugu channel and a Tamil channel.
Okay.
Now you tell me what is the name of my Tamil channel?
I think he buzzed first. Let him say.
Salam.
So it is Tamil channel, right?
Yeah. Name of my Tamil YouTube channel.
Pass.
It's Samira Sharif Tamil Vlogs.
Wrong.
No.
Wrong.
Excellent.
Okay, forget it. Now you tell me what is the name of my Telugu channel.
It's same. Samira Sharif
Samira Sharif.
Telugu Vlogs. क्या जी वही तो है.
Samira Sharif Telugu.
Shame on you guys.
यार it's Samira Sharif Telugu Vlogs.
No, it is Samira Sharif Vlogs Tamil, Samira Sharif Vlogs
So
Telugu.
क्या हो गया? एक word इधर का उधर हो गया.
It changes the meaning,
No,
Giju.
excuse me, how?
It just changes the meaning. It can. I will not consider. No point for this.
Ah,
No.
yaar.
No.
No,
Are
but believe me, I read it. I was trying to prepare my.
Oh my God, he was preparing.
चलो.
Okay. At least 0 points. ठीक है.
No, दोनों को points नहीं. Okay. Next question.
I was closer. Okay.
But still
At
no
least I
point.
did not. I did not pass. Nah, it said it. At least I was closer.
You tried, but you failed.
Yeah.
Better, but you failed.
ठीक है. चलो.
Next question. Related to my work again. I hosted a show.
Telugu.
What's the name of the show?
Telugu ना?
Yeah.
So. 1 second, guys. I'll tell you.
Sorry.
अरे यार.
My sister is just helping me.
Adirindi? हाँ.
Correct. He gets a point.
I
Did
might
you
not.
cheat?
No. यार, come on, भगवान कसम, I did not cheat.
Okay, but what was the show about?
It was show about she was hosting that comedy show. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Now we are moving on to our last
I'm
and
reading.
final round. Okay. Which has to do with my family or my personal life, my personal choices.
I don't know, guys.
My personal choices. We'll start with a very basic question. Okay?
Sure.
So I've already asked this question in my previous Who Knows Me Better video with my in-laws, like Tabassum, Arbaz and Aman. So if you guys have watched that video, I'm sure you guys didn't
No,
watch.
I did not watch. Yeah.
If probably अगर homework करते, you guys would have known this answer. Anyway,
I've never
what
done homework.
is my favorite color? मतलब I like to wear or see around me. Favorite color?
Pink.
It's black.
I'll give you another chance.
Okay. Red.
No, it's not red.
You tell what it is. You don't judge him, no?
Okay. 1 second. It's yellow. Yellow. Yes, I'm
Are
sure.
you sure?
Yes, it's yellow.
You guys are failing terribly.
Green, huh?
Orange.
It's yellow.
Yellow.
I'm just manipulating.
Hello. यार ये गलत है यार. So I was sure. You guys are terribly. What the hell?
Oh, yellow G
Yellow,
gets a
I
point,
get
but
a point.
technically you failed. When
Yeah,
first attempt
but
you
ठीक है
failed.
ना?
How
So
could?
you like
When did
black
you see me?
also.
When did you see me in black?
I have seen you so many times.
I
in black.
hate having black around me. I changed
अच्छा,
my
ठीक है.
lap back because it was black.
Okay.
I said I want a white lap
ठीक है.
back.
At least I win that point. Yellow.
I don't have black hair also, Chichu. How could you think I like black?
अच्छा ठीक है. This lady likes black. हाँ.
Okay. Next question. So you guys were a part of my wedding.
Right.
Like very closely because it was
Yes,
a very
yes.
intimate wedding even before pandemic. I mean, it was one of its kind.
Yeah.
And you guys were like totally there. I mean, during all my ceremonies and all the preparations and stuff.
Okay.
So my next question is related to my wedding.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
When was my manja, which is haldi? Apa?
I'm not saying that.
कसम से नहीं बताया. उसने नहीं बताया. रुक जाओ. Let me at least count. When did you? It was 9th November.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm talking about Manja. Haldi ceremony.
हाँ.
12th November.
Allahu Akbar Salam.
9th November जी. 9th
Did
November.
you get some point?
हाँ. ठीक, उस हनीमून के लिए निकल गए थे सबको. अम्मा, एटलीस्ट आई नो पूरा लेबर वर्क था.
Okay. Another question related to my wedding. Okay. So what kind of wedding outfit did I wear? For my wedding.
अच्छा मेन रेड कलर लहंगा.
Okay, you can try.
Yeah. Just red.
Both of you fail. It's not lehenga. I wore khada dupatta.
यार
खड़ा
रेड
दुपट्टा,
कलर
red
फॉर मी
color.
इट इज लहंगा ओनली.
No, ऐसा कैसा बोल सकते जीजू? You
नहीं
know,
होगा यार.
जीजू, you know the
यार,
name of
खड़ा
your
तो
outfit.
यार.
ऐसा नहीं.
At
You
least-
lost. I thought you will
नहीं,
try.
red.
अब मेरे को इतना नहीं पता.
लहंगा में तो हाँ बोल दिए.
खड़ा-
Terrible. You guys are really
Guys,
terrible.
at least I should when I did I said the
इसके
color
लिए-
correct. यार,
Obviously, maximum दुल्हन रेडी
खड़ा
पहनते.
दुपट्टा लहंगा नीचे भी तो पहनना ना.
लहंगा नहीं था नीचे, पजामा रहता.
अब मुझे थोड़ा ना पता था पजामा रहता कि नहीं रहता.
Wrong. You lost it. चलो next.
अरे हद है यार, चीटिंग कर रही है यार ये. ठीक है, ओके.
Okay, fine. Because he thought my manja was on 12th, let us ask them another easy question.
No, not birthday, please.
Another easy question.
हाँ.
When was my nikah? हाँ, try.
10th November.
Allah,
11th
Jeeju!
November. 11th November.
Salam gets the point. How could you? 9th को मंजा, 10th को शादी, मेहंदी कब लगा?
7th से था एक तो next day.
नहीं 9th को मंजा थोड़ा ना था, 8th को नहीं था.
9th को था,
Okay.
10th को मेहंदी थी.
अच्छा ठीक है. ओके, सॉरी गाइस.
Don't be sorry to them, be sorry to me.
आई एम सॉरी टू.
चलो, Salam gets a point.
कोई नहीं जीत.
And by the way, he doesn't know the date. He calculated the rest ceremonies and he knows
Yeah.
the date. That is more terrible.
Thanks to Hyderabad culture.
Okay, next question.
अब मैरिज से बाहर निकलो प्लीज.
हाँ, मेरी मर्जी, मेरा
अच्छा,
वीडियो है,
okay.
मेरे सवाल है. I will ask. Okay, next question. You guys were the ones who were with the groom on my wedding, right?
हाँ.
So what time did he say kubul hai?
I was the one who recorded it.
Shame on you,
I
sir.
clicked photo also. It was 8 o'clock. 8 p.m.
Can I just
Right.
get some water so that I can jump into it and die right away?
No.
So
wait.
it was around 7 o'clock. 7 to 7. Between 7 to 7.
Allah, Allah.
अल्लाह क्या कर रही है? एक सेकंड. It was. Give me one more chance.
7.
It's 8:45.
Not so late. Definitely not so late.
Last try, Salam.
Very 6:50. Around 7:30. Definitely not before that. Not after that.
8 o'clock was correct ना?
मेरा कुबुल है नहीं.
हाँ.
अनवर का कुबुल है जब where you guys were there. For me, I had girls, so you both lost.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ.
It was more earlier. I think it was after. क्या
Maghrib. It was after
हाँ,
Maghrib.
it was मगरिब से पहले.
असर के बाद.
असर के बाद मगरिब के पहले.
अच्छा, okay, I got
7:15.
7:15 मगरिब लग जाता. You guys lost, भाई.
अच्छा ठीक है यार, इतना ढूंढना पता है. हाँ चलो नेक्स्ट.
Okay, can we know what time was it?
Time? How will I know the time? You guys were there. You should have told me असर के बाद मगरिब.
Then
से
how
पहले.
can you say it is not?
असर के बाद अरे आज 8 बजे तो they all came to our home. It was my time.
No.
हाँ?
It came late. I think I clicked one photo also.
Yeah.
You can check. Okay, next question. Very simple. I'm sure, if not your wife, I'm sure Seema might have spoken about this several times in front of you. Because I'm talking about Seema, obviously Seema might have spoken about this in front of you.
Okay.
So Anwar has given me a nickname. What is that?
Oh my god.
इसलिए चुप रहा.
See, I'm asking them very basic questions, guys, which usually my sisters talk to them and discuss.
जान ही तो बुलाते हैं.
वो नॉर्मल बुलाते हैं.
हाँ नॉर्मल. अब नॉर्मल क्या बुलाते हैं करके नहीं पता.
निकनेम बताओ, एक स्पेशल नाम.
अच्छा. अब जान is okay guys. I think you can.
Jan is, see, if I would have asked what does he call me, या प्यार से क्या बुलाते हैं, that time you can say Jan, love, baby and all, but I'm not.
समीरा ही
asking.
बुलाते हैं ना हमेशा.
No. He's given me a nickname. It's not that he uses that name often, but he's given me a nickname. What is that? Papa.
रुको.
Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick
Should I
4.
call Anwar now,
Tick tick
please?
5. Tick tick 6. Tick tick 7. Tick tick 8. Tick tick 9.
अरे टिक टिक मत करा कर यार, नहीं वो हो जाता बिल्कुल.
हो गया, time's up. हद है. हद है. Seema spoke about this. I
Oh,
think
Seema.
even last night also.
Tana Queen they both
अच्छा ताना क्वीन थट.
told so many times.
अरे क्वीन समझ नहीं आ रहा, वो फर्स्ट वाला समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Queen बोलो आप catch करना
कैच कर
ना.
रहे एटलीस्ट सीमा के साथ यही स्टेज ना.
चलो next.
बिलीव मी सीमा
Hey,
कभी
at least
ना
guys,
She told you several times and she told me also that she told that to
अगर
you.
मेरे को याद है तो अच्छा ठीक है अभी.
ओके
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
Next question. So these days, my mother-in-law is using a hashtag to address me. What is that?
Oh, I don't know that.
So that you should be following us on social platforms very actively. Then you will know.
Oh.
Samira Sharif, best daughter-in-law. Samira Sharif, best daughter-in-law. Samira Sharif, best daughter-in-law.
Mom, सुन लो जरा.
I don't know, guys. I
You
don't
can
read
try. Your
hashtags.
tries are very nice. Pass.
Samira Sharif, the star.
Koddu pill.
My sister is typing and showing the text to Salam.
Hey, cheating मत करो, ठीक है? Even I don't know these questions.
Okay, pass.
Samira the star. Samira the star. Samira the star.
Mom, they have a lot of expectation from you.
Koddu pill ना. ऐसा
क्या गुड्डू का पिल्ला?
Koddu.
Pass.
Hey, what is this?
Pass.
हाँ, pass, pass.
So she uses hashtag Ma Kodapilla.
Oh, Telugu and all, I don't know.
Oh,
हाँ, माँ कोडू पिल्ला, ठीक
Ma
है.
Kodapilla.
अच्छा, माँ कोडले पिल्ला, okay, ठीक.
Okay. When did I first take Ayan in my hands?
It was 1st February 2017.
I was assuming 30th Jan.
उन्हें पैदा भी नहीं हुआ सलाम 30 Jan को.
31st Jan.
पैदा होने से पहले how will I take it?
31st Jan.
No, it was 1st February 2017.
31st Jan.
Okay,
I'm
Giju gets a
correct.
point. Next question. When did I first take Ira in my hands?
27 February
2020.
2020.
Are you sure?
Yes, that day you went and met.
I was there only with
हाँ तो वही ना 27.
27th Feb 2020 to 19 PM.
उतना डिटेल नहीं पता. I was there in Delhi, but at least I am correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Giju hit the buzzer first. Both are right, but Giju gets the point.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I know about Ira.
Okay. So, when did I get to know that I am pregnant? Abba?
नहीं
You can at least try with the month.
Okay, wait.
She told me that.
So is it Jan? Jan 2021?
Don't ask me. Answer.
Jan. In the month of Jan.
Yeah.
Jan है?
Jan.
Okay, ठीक.
Because I know.
हाँ जब तुम दोनों का एक साथ तो होता है ना सीमा और उसका.
सीमा का
तो ऑलमोस्ट आस-पास ही था ना. हाँ एक हफ्ते प्लान करके पूरा. हाँ.
Okay. Salam gets a point. Now, which car did I drove first? Wait. कि वो मेरी गाड़ी है. Like I drove it as my car. It's not that I bought it, but I drove it.
Chevrolet Beat. Chevrolet Beat.
मतलब एक सेकंड. What do you mean by I did not own?
I did not buy it. Probably my dad or my mom, someone else bought it, but I drove it. Like मेरी गाड़ी जैसा मैं घूमती थी.
It was Maruti 800. नहीं Alto.
Are you sure?
Yes, Alto.
Beat.
Maruti
हो
800.
गया. Alto में fix है
नहीं जी.
जीजू, you fixed in
नहीं
Alto.
नहीं
It is-
यार ये ऐसे नहीं होता यार.
So you don't get a point, did you? Because I asked you, are you sure? And you said also, sure. You don't get a point. No. I am considering both of you. दोनों को बहुत lenience दे रही, but here I'm not gonna give. So both of you get 0.
Okay. साली है, सही में साली है.
Okay. Moving on. Next question. What is my favorite car?
Mercedes.
Favorite car? It's her own personal car, EcoSport.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Is it B?
Huh?
Is it still with you?
No.
I don't have a car now with me.
No, but the thing is, she is very much attached to EcoSport, so I will say EcoSport. It's her favorite car.
Okay, then I'll stay with Mercedes.
मेरी उतनी हैसियत नहीं है. I like EcoSport. So G2 gets a point. So yeah, EcoSport is my favorite car. And I will still love it even if I go higher and reach higher and how many ever cars I buy, EcoSport will remain my favorite. So basically I failed in, I mean first, obviously all of us must have failed, no, in school.
No.
Anwar, even Anwar doesn't know all these things.
Never?
Never.
Unit
No,
में
I
assignments
never
में?
failed.
Oh,
No.
never.
What? Was a really? I was a topper.
Then how come I am very good with my academics?
ठीक है, it's okay. You've been doing this for the past 20 years.
Okay, anyway, so first time in my life, I mean it was a shocker to me as well, but I saw F mark in my report card. Which class was it?
I definitely discussed it with Seema. She told me about it.
ये सब भी डिस्कस करते हैं भाई अगर
So
अरे ये सब उसका खुद का ऐसे ही था हम लोग ये सब चीजें डिस्कस नहीं करते कैसे
so I am stuck between two options, 5th or 9th. But I remember definitely 5th or 9th.
5th standard. So
Yeah.
5th standard I changed my school and first time I saw the F mark on my report card was because I was absent for one of the tests and ever since then F kind of became my friend. Okay. So the last question. What was my school's name?
एक सेकंड
School's name.
एक गलीज नाम
Keys High School.
हाँ कीस हाई गलीज नाम
Don't call my school Gully's Pop. Okay. Salam gets the point. Okay, guys. With this, we have come to an end to the questions and to the challenge of who knows me better. And as you guys have seen, none of them know me. Not even like 50%.
I gave you a lot of answers. Come on.
You two gave me a lot of answers. He's given a lot of answers.
No.
But if I see on a ratio,
We'll
to know-
count. We'll see
probably
that.
I'll see when I'm editing. But still, if I have to announce that, this sister's husband knows me better or this sister's husband knows
So
me
you
better,
have to-
then I will say none of them know me.
You have to count. Okay, उसमें दिखाना 1 point
हाँ.
win, 1 point.
I will show in the edit.
Okay.
But
ठीक
still,
है.
I'm telling.
ठीक है,
Both
so-
of you are like at the worst.
You are
and
not-
for which to know who Samira is and what Samira is and to know more details about Samira, you guys should be talking to your wives more often about me. Follow me on my social media handles and keep a track on my YouTube, on my regional channels and my Instagram and everywhere so that you guys are aware of me, okay?
Yes.
Please, as a family members, you guys should be more aware.
Okay.
Sure.
From now
Okay.
onwards, we'll watch. Yeah.
So yeah, we'll end this vlog right here and if you guys have any more questions or if you guys have any more ideas that I can film with these two guys, please let me know in the comment section down below. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Before signing off, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and also share this video and not to forget to subscribe to my mother-in-law's channel which is Shanur Sana, my sister-in-law's channel, Frolic Tabassum, my brother-in-law's channel which is Hyderabad Beauty and Delhi Breeze and of course my regional channels which are Samira Sharif Vlogs Telugu and Tamil. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until we'll see you next. Lots of love!